Day 41. AI writes the job report, while the tech is still driving back. Every HVAC job ends the same way. Tech wraps up the call, drives back, and somewhere between the truck and the shop, half the detail gets lost. What time did they actually arrive? Which part number did they swap out? Was there anything the customer mentioned that needs a follow-up? You need that information to run a business. But manual entry at end of shift is the worst possible time to capture it. Techs are tired, they've run 5 calls, and the notes that make it into Field Pulse reflect that. So we automated the close of the loop. When a job status changes to complete in Field Pulse, an AI reads the raw tech notes, the timestamps, and the parts consumed on that job, and writes a finished report before the truck hits the shop driveway. Here's what it actually builds. First, a plain English summary of work performed. Not tech shorthand, not abbreviations. Readable prose that a customer or a manager can understand. Second, the parts list with full model numbers and quantities, cross-referenced against what was logged. Third, a time comparison, scheduled time versus actual time on site. Fourth, any open items or follow-up flags pulled from the notes. And fifth, a customer-facing version formatted for email or print. The report writes back into Field Pulse, logs to the daily job summary, and runs a callback risk scan. If the notes show an incomplete repair, a part on order, or a system running outside normal parameters, it flags the job for review before it closes. This matters because the job report is downstream of everything. Invoicing accuracy, warranty documentation, callback tracking. If the close of job data is bad, everything built on top of it is bad. Day 39 built the schedule. Day 40 staged the parts before the truck rolled. Day 41 closes that loop. The full field service cycle, from dispatch to debrief, is now handled without a single manual data entry step. The tech's job is to fix the system and document what they found. The AI's job is to turn that field data into a usable record. That split is working. Subscribe to follow the build. New episode tomorrow.